Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 6th for the subject of Geography, Chapter 3, Agriculture and Major Crops, which we will continue from page number 39 of your textbook titled Madhuban ICSC Geography 6 and is being submitted to you on 10th May 2021. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. Students, in the previous lecture, we had studied about the intensive subsistence agriculture. We will continue here with the study of commercial agriculture. In the commercial farming, crops are grown on a large scale, mainly for selling the produce in the market, both at home and abroad. The main aim of this type of farming is to earn profit. There is generally large size of land holdings, modern methods of cultivation, such as using high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides, along with modern irrigation techniques. Commercial farming is practiced in Europe, the USA, Canada, Russia, and Australia. Wheat is the most important crop grown in USA and Australia. There is mainly extensive farming as plenty of land is available for agriculture. Therefore, most of the work is done by using large machines such as combine harvesters. Mixed farming is a form of farming in which crops are grown and animals are reared. Farmers grow a variety of crops and also keep a number of dairy animals to get milk. Farmers practice mixed farming mainly with a view to increasing their earnings from two different sources. Plantation agriculture is a type of commercial agriculture. Here, a single crop instead of multiple crops is planted over a large area known as plantation. Under plantation agriculture, mainly cash crops are grown and quality control is important because the products cater to both national and international markets. The work of the farm is highly organized. A huge amount of money is required as capital, and modern scientific techniques are incorporated. We will now study here briefly about some other types of farming. Pisciculture is the process of breeding and rearing of fishes in ponds, reservoirs, lakes, and rivers. It is farming of economically important fishes under controlled conditions. Sericulture is the art of rearing silkworms under artificial or domesticated conditions and the extraction of silk fiber from their cocoons. Pastoral farming is aimed at producing livestock rather than growing crops. Examples include dairy farming, raise beef cattle, raising sheep for wool. The purpose of dairy farming is to meet the demand of milk in urban areas. Horticulture describes the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and flowers on small plots of land. Viticulture is a branch of the science of horticulture. It is the cultivation and harvesting of grapes. It is widely practiced in France, Italy, Spain, and other Mediterranean countries. In cooperative farming, farmers pool their resources in certain areas of activity. By pooling their resources, the farmers get the benefit of large-scale farming by reducing the burden of cost of production. Students, with this, we end this video on agriculture and major crops. Thank you.